Well, that's what the very next article is kind of talking about, right?
Yep.
Independence from Starlink, right? So they're kind of linked there. Um, Poland has joined Europe's drive for satellite sovereignty, signing up to help build EU's own communications constellation as Brussels seeks to reduce its reliance on Elon Musk's Starlink and other foreign networks. What other foreign networks? What other ones are they talking about?
Well, the ones that are losing money, like OneWeb.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Yeah. I wonder how I I spent some time today looking at this thing called Jevons paradox, and I didn't know jack about this, and I'm just going to share it with everybody for a minute because this is something I only just learned about. It's the idea that as a commodity drops in price, its usage expands, and so the net is that there's greater volume, and they've applied it to all kinds of things. Originally, it came out of coal from England, but they've applied it to chips and telecom, and now I applied it to space, and it was pretty interesting. But what it doesn't take into account is the requirement for sovereignty. Like if the world was this global commons, I wonder how much of the world needs its own sovereign satellite capability, right? Um, but the world isn't that way, and so nations do want to have their own launch capability, their own satellite, their own network, their own comms, their own Earth observation. So that was something that the AIs could not really answer me on. Is that is Jevons paradox kind of fits if you're in a box. That's kind of how I
that makes sense.
it.
Yeah. All right. But yeah, I love that. Poland joins the mission to free Europe from Starlink dependence. The evil empire is upon us. We must fight.
Well, okay, but look at what happened with Ukraine in the earliest days of the Russian invasion, right? SpaceX, not the company, the person of Elon Musk tweeted they didn't like its use, and then 15 minutes later, SpaceX, the organization, shut down battlefield capabilities. Now, they did build their own system. Star Shield is different from Starlink, that is allowed to have, encouraged to have, military elements to it. But yeah, if you were a commander in the battlefield, would you want to rely on the whims of a very mercurial CEO? I wouldn't.
Yeah.
So,
well, the Russians have learned a few things about that, and now they're all of a sudden starting to do stuff on their own.
Right. So, yeah, I think it actually makes sense from Poland to divest a little bit, but it's not like people are making them use Starlink. So, yeah.
Well, I mean, my company has an answer too.
Right.
It could go places where conventional telecom companies, terrestrial telecom companies, can't go and serve people now, and we're also going places at the same time who can't afford Starlink anyway.
I think you should be pushing that sovereignty angle all day long.
We are.
Yeah.
Oh, we are.
Yeah.
It's huge. Yeah.
Yep.